So, KCA TV, the reason I was linking you to these gloves is because these little pads, they let you use tablets and stuff. See? These don't have it. This does. Pinch to zoom. And doodly doodly doodly. I'm gonna get banned from YouTube for that. Oh, lordy, lordy. But anyway, brother, I thought you would like that, so you don't have to ride around like Michael Jackson. So that's what I was trying to link you to, and I think YouTube just didn't allow me to post the comment. It actually did, and that's why when I didn't get an answer from you, I was quite surprised, because you usually answer all of your comments like I do. And I actually went back and checked the video, and like my comment wasn't there, so that's why I posted that second comment saying, hey, check your spam. But these gloves are awesome, man. The vents actually work, and I like the knuckle protection. It's saved me a bunch of times. Even with the hand guards, that knuckle protection on these branches and stuff, man. But anyway, well, I guess we can start the video now. What's happening, guys? I think this is still 32, which is a green trail. What I was looking for, 37, which is a blue trail, but this trail has been kind of gnarly. So if I'm starting you in the middle of 37, I'm sorry. But there have been some seriously steep second gear hill climbs. Jeez, oh man. Yeah, this is still 32. Alright. Well, we're going to be looking for 37. So 32. And I think... what's down there? Hold on. Stop, no entry. What are you? Not a part of the trail system. Okay. Okay, so this is not where I have been before. .32 it is. So I stopped in Gary. Not a whole lot there, at least that I saw. I stopped at the gas station, which kind of seemed like the only option. I didn't explore much more, so I can't really say 100%. What's this? No trespassing. Not numbered, says no trespassing. Posted. Alright. That's kind of cool. Got a little snack. I only had 1 bar of service out there. And the reason I say that is because I stopped a local and I asked him, because we have not had service anywhere since we got off the highway. And the answer was the only service around here is AT&T. So if you have Verizon and you were coming here, do not expect to have service. 71 that way, the black. The 32 this way. Looks like it goes right back into the stream. That's why I didn't shift. Ooh. But managed to stay pretty clean this far. Let's not ruin it right at the end of the day. So yeah, if you have Verizon, you're not going to have service out here basically at all. I was able to get 1 bar of 1X in Gary at the Exxon gas station, And I actually got a call to go through and send a text message. So I wouldn't hope for anything more than that, because you're probably not going to get it. Well, that's cool. They've diverted the whole stream. Alright, you're not allowed to go that way. Oop. Right again. Right into the stream. Yeah. I haven't seen anybody else out here. I mean, total vehicles on this trail, 7 total. I mean, granted, it's a Monday, so you'd have to be out here for vacation or a local. We're going this way. But I have met some of those people on the wrong side of the road. Well, not, you know, not on the wrong side of the road. At inopportune times when if I was on the wrong side of the road, it would have been gnar. So hopefully we won't be having any of that. One of these things that I've figured out is they really like to hide hill climbs right behind sharp turns. So if you've got a sneaking suspicion that there's going to be a hill climb right around that turn, downshift before the turn. Slow down, man. I don't want to get hit. Oh, you like that? You like that sneaky shift into third? I know you did. Man. That one. Oh, my wrist is hurting a little bit now. Oh, my wrist is gripping a little harder than I should. Oof. Ouch. And here's 44. Oh, but I can't move my freaking wrist. Ow. Not my wrist, my fingers. Ouch. My hand wants to stay like that. Ooh, that's not good. Oh man, I know there's a spot right here I can chill for a second. But ow! Crap. Ow. Ow. hurts. That hurts. 32 was a great trail, though. That was a lot of fun. I don't know if I'm going to do 37. Owie. I might just limp it on back. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. But I think there's an overlook up there. And it says do not enter. But I kind of want to enter. Maybe we'll walk up there. I don't want to get caught on a trail cam and get busted. Oh, I think there's an overlook up there. Maybe we'll go take a picture. Alright guys, I will see you soon. Look, I can move it again. My hand was literally stuck like this. I'll catch y'all later. Peace! Oh, one more thing. Pinnacle Creek tomorrow. We're going to be doing Pinnacle Creek tomorrow. So if I don't do 37, we'll save it for another time. We'll see. We'll see how I feel after I can move my wrist a little bit again. Alright guys, peace!